Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove stock on Yahoo Finance. So let's get started. First, it is to note that the Yahoo Finance stock doesn't mean that you are buying it. It is really just a ticker symbol of a company. So when you are adding a stock to your watch list or portfolio, you are just tracking that ticker. You can also record shares, transaction or loads if you want to track your investment. Now open the Yahoo Finance app on your phone and make sure that you are signed in with your Yahoo account. Scroll down a little bit. Now you will see the list of portfolio or my watch list. Tap on any. Within it, look for the pencil icon at the top right corner and tap on it. Here it will show different options. From the options, click on delete list. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap on delete list to confirm. Your wish list or portfolio will now be permanently removed. Remember, deleting a watch list or portfolio does not sell real stocks. It only removes the track, tickers, shares and transactions from the Yahoo Finance. And that's it. You have successfully deleted a watch list or portfolio on the Yahoo Finance, and now know that a stock really just means a ticker for tracking. So if this video helped you, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.